Your life can look totally different in 6 months if you do this now. 6 months from now, you could be living in a completely different reality. New income, new opportunities, even a whole new environment. But only if you start doing this today. I am Tola Daniels, and I'll be showing you the things you can do to make your life look different in 6 months. If you have been stuck, tired of your routine, or wondering why nothing changes, this is the wake-up call you didn't know you needed. First, you need to understand this. Your life is a reflection of your habits and decisions from the past 6 months. So if you want the next 6 months to look different, you need to start operating like the person you want to become, not the person you are right now. That means upgrading your environment, the people you spend time with, and the information you consume. If your circle isn't inspiring you, it's probably limiting you and bringing you down. Master a high income skill, and this can never be overemphasized. Here's the truth. You don't need 5 years to make life-changing progress. What you do need is a skill the market pays highly for. This could be copywriting like me, paid ads like me also, content creation, web design, or email marketing. If you can solve a big problem for people or businesses, you will never be broke again. Then pick one skill, go all in and commit to practicing it every single day for the next 6 months. Trust me, by month 6, you will either have clients paying you or a service or product generating sales for you. Then document the journey. This is the step a lot of people miss out. They do the work in silence. But if you want opportunities to find you, you need to document your journey. Post your progress. It will take nothing away from you but add a lot to you. Document the progress, your challenges, and the lessons you've learned. You don't have to be an influencer to do this. You just have to be visible. In 2025, attention is currency. And like I always say, consider the internet today as a big mass of real estate. And imagine you live your entire life and leave this world without even owning a little piece of it. If no one knows you, they can't pay you. Take relentless action. Here's my special challenge to you. For the next 180 days, cut on the Netflix binge. Reduce your scrolling and put all that time into building your skill, your network, and your visibility. It's going to feel uncomfortable at first, but that's how you know you're growing. 6 months from now, you can either be scrolling past videos like this, wishing you started, or be living proof that transformation is possible. If you found this video helpful, do 2 things right now. 1, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss strategies like this one and even live videos where I build products, services, test videos, test ideas, launch ads, all from scratch. Then 2, like this video so YouTube knows it's worth sharing with other people who want to change their lives too. And if you're ready to take this seriously, drop "I'm in the comments section so I know you are committed, and others who are ready to lock in will also find you. Your next 6 months starts today, and let's make it count. I'll see you in the next video.